Hello everyone, while continuing the new chapter Improvement in Food Resources, today we will talk about a new topic that is food and food resources. So let's get started. We have the new topic that is food and food resources. All of us know that food is the basic need of all living organisms. We eat food to get energy, and this energy is needed by the cells to perform various cellular activity as well as the different life processes that takes place inside our body. This food also supplies different nutrients like carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. These nutrients boost up our immunity and helps in fighting against different diseases. This food also helps in the growth and development of our body and repair the damaged tissues. So these are the few points about food. Now let us see what are the different sources of food. So different sources of food are we all know that we are dependent on plants and animal for our food. So we get food from the plants and as well as the animals. First we will take up the plants, that what are the different sources of plants. So the first example is the cereals. Cereals that includes all grains that is rich in carbohydrates, or starch. And the example of cereals are wheat, rice, maize, millet, barley, etc. All these grain are the example of cereals that are rich in carbohydrates or starch. The second form, we get pulses from the plants, and this pulses includes dal, and this dal is rich in proteins, that is very important for our growth and development. And the example of pulses are arhar dal, that is pigeon pea, that is arhar dal, lentil, that is masoor dal, black gram, that is black urad dal. Other example includes kidney beans, that is rajma, white chickpeas, that is kabuli chana, etc. So all this dal are included in the pulses. The next source that we get from the plant is the vegetables. These vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Rich in vitamins and minerals, and their examples are these vegetables. Example of vegetables are potato, tomato, carrot, radish, capsicum, broccoli, onion, etc. Are the examples of vegetables. Then we have fruits. We get fruit from the plants. Fruits are also rich in vitamins and minerals. Rich in vitamins and minerals. And their examples are fruits includes apple, banana, pomegranate, mango, apple, banana, pomegranate, etc. As well as it also includes dry fruits, and this example of dry fruits are cashew nut, almond, apricot, etc. Then we have oil seeds from which we get oil. So the next example is oil seed plants which gives us oil. And the example of oil seed plants are mustard seeds, groundnut seeds, mustard, sesame, linseed, etc. are example of the seeds or plants that gives us oil. So these are the different sources of plants that we from which we get different type of food. Now moving ahead, we have animals. We get different type of sources from different type of food from these animals. So first thing that we get from the animal is the milk. It gives different products like ghee, butter, cheese. That gives ghee, butter, cheese, curd, paneer, etc. that we get from the animals. And the other is meat, honey, are different sources of food that we get from these animals. So as we saw here, these are the different sources of food that we get from plants and animals. So there is need to improve the production of plants as well as the production of animals. As the population of our country is increasing day by day, and till till the year 2022, it is almost 150 crore. So providing food to everyone has become a troublesome job. So there is a need to improve the production of the crops. To achieve such type of problems, Green Revolution was introduced in India by M.S. Swaminathan. The father of Green Revolution was Dr. Norman Borlaug, who was Mexican and also awarded Nobel Prize for the Green Revolution. But in India, it was introduced by M.S. Swaminathan. So Green Revolution was actually the production of grains in high amount or large amount. So the father of, just note it down, the father of Green Revolution was Dr. Norman Borlaug, and in India, it was M.S. Swaminathan who introduced Green Revolution. In the year 1965. In the year 1965. So Green Revolution is actually the production of grains on large scale by utilizing the natural resources as well as the modern technologies. So somehow it was found that this Green Revolution was actually imbalancing or affecting the natural resources. So there is need for sustainable practices in agriculture and animal husbandry, as we have some of the natural resources that are very limited, and keeping in mind for the future generation, for the convenience of future generations, we should utilize these natural resources in a balanced manner.